Okay, maximum height is h is equal to u sine theta t minus half gt squared. Sometimes they will use delta y. Okay, u sine theta t minus half gt squared. Why there's still a g gravity there? Because gravity maximum height here. Okay, so the maximum gravity here. So g, because I already changed it here, so just substitute 9.81 meter per second. Okay, no need to put negative here because I already changed here. Okay, but if you want to use u sine theta t plus half gt squared, then you put negative 9.81 because here you put positive. Okay, because here you need to put negative. Why negative? Because the direction of gravity is downward. Okay, so that's all for projectile motion. Now we move to exercise 1. Okay, a ball is thrown upward from the top of the building at angle 25 degree to the horizontal. Okay, so assume the ball is thrown like this. The ball is thrown like this. So if you see the movement like this, we can call as projectile motion. So where's the angle? Angle is here, 25 degree. Okay, with an initial speed, so this one is u, this one is the theta. If the ball is in flight for 3 seconds, so here is the time. How tall is the building? So you cannot draw this one as like this, because if they ask for tall of the building, you have to add this height. Okay, it's quite complicated for you to calculate this height. Okay, if you are engineering student or you specific in physics, I will tell you this. Okay, but for computer science and IT student, you just know how the motion is. Okay, so how tall the building? So you have to choose what equation. Only 2 equations for projectile motion, right? Which is r is equal to u cos theta t, and the other one is this one. So for height or tall of the building, you use this one. H is equal to u sine theta t minus half gt squared. So h is equal to u is 15 sine 25. Okay, because it's going downward, so theta will be negative. You use sines because here don't have angle. Actually, you use this one, right? So negative 15 sine 25 minus half 9.81 t squared. Oh, this one I forgot t. Okay, after you calculate, you will get h is equal to 25 meter. Okay, easy. 1, 2, 3 marks. Okay, find the horizontal range. So horizontal range means dr, right? So the equation is r is equal to u cos theta t. So r is equal to 15 cos 25 times 3. Easy peasy like ABC. So 15, how much? 40.8 meter. Easy, right? Straightforward question. Okay, now we move to second exercise. A golf ball is hit off a tee. Okay, you read yourself. First, write a vector expression for the ball's position as a function of time. Okay, vector expression means you have to write in I and G. Ball's position means you have to write R. By taking the derivatives, find the velocity vector. how to find velocity if you have this kind of expression, sorry, this one we call it as expression. Okay, and see acceleration. Next, use the unit vector notation. Unit vector notation still in I and J to write expression for the position, velocity and acceleration at 3 seconds. It means you have to substitute this value into the 3 unknown here. Okay, the position, velocity vector and acceleration. Okay, first you have to write the position, right? So this one, how many questions you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normally this type of question is 10 marks. Okay, 10 marks, but it's not hard. Okay, so given x is equal to 18t, no need to put unit, it's okay. Okay, y is equal to 4t minus 4.9t squared. So here will be your x, here will be your y expression. Okay, first you have to express the position in I and J. So position is equal to, you know, that xi plus yj. Here is how to write position in terms of vector. Okay, so you just copy everything. R is equal to, what is your x? X is 18t, right? So 18ti plus, if you don't want to put I like this, it's okay. Sometimes you do like this during your math session. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, x, just now you substitute 18t, I, you just copy I, plus your y is the whole thing here. So 4t minus 4.9t squared g. Settle. How many marks you will get here? 1, 2. 2 marks. You just copy everything, then you get 2 marks. Okay, v. How to find velocity from this expression? V, if from position you have to differentiate, right? So some of you don't know how to differentiate. My previous student, not you. Okay, sorry. How to differentiate is, for example, 18t to the power of 1, right? So 1 times 18 is 18 minus 1, t to the power of 0 is equal to 1, so 18. Okay, t is time. Previously you learned at school like this: 42x squared minus 4x, for example. So how to differentiate this one? Times this one, you will get 84x minus 4 after you differentiate. Okay, at school you learn about dy dx, or in mathematics you learn dy dx, but in physics we respect to the time, of course. Okay, so how to differentiate this one? You will get 18, I, just put I means the unit vector, plus 4 minus 9.8t g. So that's the second expression. And the last one is acceleration vector. So 18i, you differentiate, you will get nothing, 0, because there's no unknown here. This one 4 plus 4, nothing, left with this one, right? So negative 9.8 g. That's all. If you are not confusing with your own handwriting, you can put the big bracket here. So position unit is meter. Put a big bracket here. Velocity is meter per second, or you can even write as ms minus 1. This one, a big bracket here, you will get meter per second squared unit. Okay, the next question is about, so you settle position, velocity vector and acceleration expression. Next, use unit vector notation, means still in I and J, to write expression for the position, velocity and acceleration at 3 seconds. So Okay, so we substitute 3 seconds inside the time here, t. So for r, 18 times 3 I plus so what's the answer? 54 I minus 32.1 G. Done. How you get negative 32.1? You just calculate this one. If you don't know how to calculate manually using your brain, you just use a calculator. It's easy peasy. Then for B, V is equal to 18I plus substitute 3 inside here. Sorry, negative 25.4 G meter per second. That's answer for velocity vector. This one at t is equal to 3 seconds. And for acceleration, is there any time here? No. So you just copy back negative 9.8 G meter per second squared. That's all for exercise 2. It's easy, right guys? If you learn physics, you have to be happy so you can solve easily. Okay, next exercise 3. Actually exercise 3 similar to exercise 2, so you try do yourself. If you don't know, please ask me. Exercise 4, it's also easy. You just use this equation, only 2 equations. Okay, you use if horizontal range or how far, so you use for x-axis u cos theta t. If the height, if delta y, if tall of the building, so you use this one, this equation. Okay, this equation is not given during exam because we already give you the 4 kinematic equation. You just derive yourself. That's why I teach you how to derive from here. Okay, this is one of the kinematic equation. Exercise 5 also same. You have to use the equation. So try do it by your own first. I think you can do it because all of you is clever. Okay, so cheer up. Thank you.